Students, this is our last video in our energy chapter. We just learned that we can calculate Q, or heat, for a heating cooling curve regions 1, 3, and 5 using Q equals ms delta T, which is very important. Now we're going to learn how to calculate heat for regions 2 and 4. For region 2, heat is calculated using Q equals mass times the delta heat of fusion. So this works when we are in region 2 melting, along the melting flat line where we have solid and liquid mixtures. So again, going from solid to liquid, we are absorbing heat to overcome the intermolecular forces. So the delta H of fusion is a positive number. Okay, so again, this is endo or exothermic. Can you remember? What is melting? Melting. You're correct if you said endothermic. We're absorbing heat. Heat goes into the process, the chemicals. All right. Region 4. Heat is calculated using Q equals mass times delta heat of vaporization because we are boiling. We're vaporizing now. So that is along the liquid to gas line where we're boiling. We're going from liquid to gas. So again, liquid pulling apart to gas. So we're absorbing heat to overcome the intermolecular forces. So the delta H vaporization is a positive number. So again, is boiling endo or exothermic if we're absorbing heat? You are correct if you said endothermic. Yes, yes, yes. We have to put heat into the liquid to pull it apart to make it a gas. Good job. All right, so let's look at an example. Calculate the amount of heat required in joules to boil 13 grams of water. The heat of vaporization for water is 2,260 joules per gram. So this is pretty easy. We have 13 grams of water, and then we have delta H vaporization, which is joules per gram. So if we multiply those together, grams will cancel out and we'll get joules. And that's what the question wants, is joules. So that's pretty easy. Q is just mass times the delta H of vaporization. So we have 13 grams times 2,260 joules per gram equals 29,380 joules. But pay attention to sig figs. Because of the 13, we only have 2 sig figs, so we have to round. Now 29,380 needs to stay 29,000, not 29. Okay, remember, when you round, you have to keep the value of the number. It's 29,000 joules. Or you could put it in scientific notation if you want. You don't need to. 2.9 times 10 to the 4th joules. All right, so we did a calculation using heat of vaporization for region 4. Region 2 is very similar. And that wraps up our discussion of heating, cooling curve calculations. We are done with chapter 13. We learned a lot about our planet and energy. I hope you enjoyed it. And bye-bye. Study hard for your next exam. Good luck.